Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain BIKEMAP app review to see with what you're using. BIKEMAP is a cycling navigation app with over 10 million routes available worldwide. It's great for discovering new biking paths, tracking your rides and getting real-time stats like speed, distance and elevation. The app also allows you to download map for offline use and provide a voice guide navigation. So if you're subscribed to the premium version, it's ideal for casual riders, commuters and anyone who wants enjoying exploring new cycling route. However, many of the best features like offline maps and voice direction are only available with a paid subscription. So some users have reported GPS error, confusing routes, or being led to unsuitable paths like highway or a private road. So the app can also drain your battery during the long ride overall. BIKEMAP is what for cyclists who want a route varieties and don't mind paying for premium service, but it may not be the best choice for street turns by turns reliability. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.